Brian Tenningfeld with HarvestTec here. I want to talk about a couple of the new moisture sensing features for the new Ag Code 2233, 2234, 2244 balers, where there's an option to easily plug in a moisture star wheels with the addition of a moisture module. The new balers have a plug-in for the module here. Pretty simple to plug in the Deutsch plug. I'm not going to go through it all, but you can see once I have power going, you get a green blinking light, knowing that we're communicating. This module is then going to be bolted up tight on the baler frame there. Another feature with the factory moisture being able to easily plug and play, the provisions for the star wheels will be included in the factory harness. So like most guys are familiar with, we'll be mounting the star wheels as close to the knotters as possible. The bolt holes are there for the star wheels, but the factory plugs, one on each side. Real simple. The power is going to be already on the baler, so we won't have a separate tractor battery. So we'll go through a couple more of the setup features in the cab. All right, so real simple setup involved with the moisture only star wheel system. Going into the monitor, again, my module's plugged in. These 4 vertical bars here will go into here, but then your settings, the gears, will go in there. So we'll actually then turn on the moisture selection, where you'll then see the HarvestTec option. Another video I'll do is a moisture dye marker, being able to turn the dye marker on and adjust or apply a stripe to the side of the bale when there's a high moisture reading. But now by going back a screen, you can see we have the ability to set a moisture alarm. Most guys will probably want to know when they're starting to get in that mid-20 moisture reading. So anytime that moisture star wheel reading is above 25%, the moisture alarm will be signaling. So now in the baler run screen, these 4 containers here, you can customize. So I will choose my selection here and actually adjust it to, I have an instantaneous moisture option and a bale average moisture option. So I'm going to select the bale average moisture, and now you can see every time I'm watching my bale being tied, I'll have an updated bale moisture, an average bale moisture. For more information, feel free to reach out to HarvestTec at 800-635-7468.